Hello everyone, before we jump into our today's video, just wanted to share with you an email we received from YouTube. We now have 500 subscribers. Big thank you to all of you for your ongoing support for this channel and for choosing to be a part of our food loving community. So without further ado, let's just go to our today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well, and thank you for your ongoing support for the channel. And today I'm going to share with you a very delicious, extremely easy yogurt sauce made with mint, and it's known as Tzatziki sauce, but it's actually famous all over Central Asia and also all the way to India and Pakistan. It goes very nicely with roasted food, kebab or anything else. So let me just show you what you need. It's very easy and simple to prepare. Garlic, just one clove, you don't want to overpower the sauce, and just chop it up very thinly so that it's actually easy to mix on with the whole recipe. Then we're going to use some Greek yogurt in this case, and use based on how many people you would like to serve this sauce for. I'm actually preparing for 2 people, so I just put 2 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Then I'm using half a lime, just a squeeze of juice of half a lime. If you don't have lime, use lemon, not a problem at all. It's a simple sauce, so it doesn't take that much to prepare. I'm using dried mint, 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried mint, but you can use fresh mint if you wish to, but if you use dried mint, we have to leave it aside for a while to just get everything absorbs the flavor of that. And then I have added half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. That also depends on your taste, varied based on how much you like. So I'm also adding a teaspoon of red chili powder. And just mix it thoroughly. See, these are the simplest thing you can add. It's so easy and so simple to do. So this is basically how you would prepare it. And here I have actually served it with a roasted chicken. Very simple, very easy. Hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give us likes. And thank you again for subscribing to the channel. If you are new, consider subscribing. We share with everyone healthy homemade food. So till the next time, take care.